Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about very important aspect of assessment related to development of MCQs, one best type. Usually, a faculty member have to make their one best MCQs related to their topic. We are this thing has been much revolutionized with the artificial intelligence and help us to improve the quality and the speed in which we work. Not only this is important, but another aspect is if you are making your MCQs for individualized student assessment for personalized learning experience, AI has a much wider role, and we need to take leverage of that thing. It's very difficult to done that process with your current practice, with your own pen and paper. With the AI, the possibilities are huge. Let us see how it works, and going to use the chat GPT for that purpose, but you can use the other tools as well. So let me start from here, and I'll make only one MCQ just for the sake of for us to review, but you can make multiple there as well. Make a one best MCQ for a queue manage. So I written a prompt in which I also written the what is the level of the students and things, and I'll ask ChatGPT to create one MCQ, and it has created an MCQ in management of acute appendicitis. Which of the following intervention is considered the standard and most widely acceptable approach? Okay, so that's one MCQ has been created. So it's a very and a nose level of the MCQ. We want to increase the quality of the MCQ or take it to the application level. Kindly make this MCQ. Okay, so I'll ask it to make it application of knowledge, and you can see that the question has been changed. Now a clinical scenario or when it has been added, and the things there, and the question has been revised in those things as well. Okay, so at the moment this is there, but the key is not coming up. What is the key? So I'll ask it, make this MCQ with key. Okay, so I'll ask that chat GPT to create the key as well, and now it has the perform an open surgical appendicectomy without delay is the key. So the question has been generated and there as well. Okay, so let's modify and take the leverage of artificial intelligence, and if you have a learning management system, to take it to the next level by providing feedback to the students. So once they attempt that quiz, they can have a feedback on explanation. Kindly add explanation for this question. So we have asked this prompt, and the questions come up, the answers come, the key comes, and explanation is also come up. And those who know how to use the learning management system, this explanation is also very important for students for their learning. And many of us have passed many exams by doing the MCQs book and having the explanation as one of the primary medium as well. So now here comes, usually that is the feedback usually we developed, and going for this level is very difficult for many of us because it takes a lot of time and energy. Of course, I want you to review the question and the key with your experience. At the moment, I'm just creating the questions and taking you through the process. But of course, you as a subject matter expert will going to see what is going on and how you can modify it. Now, if I want to go for an individualized feedback to the student, which is very difficult, but I want that if a student select A, so why A is not right, this feedback should go to the student, those who selected response A. Compared to those who selected C, the feedback will be given to those students why the C is inappropriate and not the other way answer. So this individualized feedback I want, for example, my 100 students will going to attempt their questions, and I want each one to give them this is the correct answer, This is the overall explanation, but this is the explanation why your option is wrong. So that kind of things, and LMS have the probability, this that capability that you can add these things into there, and I'll make some video based on those things as well. So let me have another prompt. Kindly add explanation of all right and wrong answers for a student. Okay, so I have given a prompt, and it will again create the same questions and explanation of A, B explanation, uh, with the explanation why this option is wrong. And that is a kind of a question, and those things you can take it to your assessment software, whether you are using Google Forms or learning management systems or any other platform. You can develop truly formative or summative assessment with the feedback to individualize student feedback. And that is have really changed if you want to make your assessment with the student center and leverage the artificial intelligence in your work with the fast track things as well. Again, there are other way. In the next video, I'll going to create some questions based on the some reference things as well. So this is a question was generated by just by the information by ChatGPT or other platform which you're using, but we select some of the chapters or some of the content, and we want the MCQs from those content, and the next video we're going to talk about those things. In the meantime, enjoy and start developing your questions to the advanced level by using ChatGPT, a free tool under Orchestra. Hopefully you enjoyed this learning journey. See you next time.